as you can see, I have my daughter Meg is a photographer. So, hi Meg. Can you just show the big backyard over there? That's the overfly area that I normally can fly my airplanes from. But what I like to do is sometimes fly off the grass over here. So when I was cutting along this morning, I thought I'd do a runway right here. So we have a grass strip, and this is the Hobby Zone Cub. And so I think takeoffs are going to be okay, but the approaches are going to be a little bit interesting because of the trees. So we're going to give it a shot here. Gusty wind. And I think Alright, we're up.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, we'll go around.
One more loop, how about?
One more around.
Sounded.
Wow, it's really pushing around. Okay, we'll try it one more time.
There it is. My. The Cub was the one that my dad had as floats. He had floats on it, and he's teaching me to fly it.
Okay, now we're going to try something a little bit different. This is the Park Zone T28. I put a bigger motor on this, so it's going to go a little bit faster than the out-of-the-box one. And actually, you know, this approach here isn't too unlike years ago when I flew into Kansas City downtown, and you had to like turn at one of the buildings to make your final approach. So it's probably something along the lines of that, except there's not a big building. It's a soybean.
If you saw the Night Flight 228, you'd know that.
And we're up.
That this was the Night Flight 228.
Oh! Whoops. Okay, we'll try that. And we're up.
Got it close and visual.
Okay.
Now land it farther away from me. Just follow a little dot. Just land it next time around.
That was sort of go around. Try it again.
And there's our first station.
We're down.
Not
quite on the runway, but close enough.
Yeah, I'd have to agree. It was close enough.